Hi Hari, today we're going to see the flag of Singapore. It has a pure rectangular shape and you can see it's divided into two parts, the bottom part and the top part. The color of the top part is going to be the red color and it has a moon and you can see the five stars present here. For that one, let's start the drawing from the top left side. Okay, and start filling up the color. Okay. Okay, you can see the colors of the red color inside here around the moon. And now we're going to use a pencil and make it a nice outline for the all right, so that the moon is clearly visible and the white stars you can see here. Okay. All right, so this is the flag of Singapore. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the update. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.